How are you? What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Do you speak English? Where do you live? Can I help you? What happened? Are you okay? What are you doing? How was your day? What do you like? Can you help me? What is the time? Where are you going? How is the weather? Are you busy? What is your plan? What do you need? When will you come? Have you eaten? What do you mean? Is everything okay? Where is the bathroom? Can I sit here? Are you coming? How much is this? Can I call you? When is your birthday? Who is there? Why are you late? What's wrong? Are you ready? Can I come in? Where is your house? Is this yours? What time do you wake up? What time do you sleep? Can I ask you something? Do you like music? What is your favorite color? What do you study? Can you repeat that? Where do you work? Who is your best friend? Are you hungry? Can you drive? Do you like tea or coffee? What do you think? Do you like reading? Where did you go? When will we meet? Can you hear me? What are you looking for? What time is your class? What is your favorite food? Are you free now? What are you thinking? Who is your teacher? When did you wake up? What is the problem? Can you do me a favor? Is it raining? How was the party? What do you like to do? Where is your phone? When will you leave? Do you have a car? Are you feeling better? Can you explain this? How do you feel? Where do you want to go? How was your journey? Are you enjoying? Where can I find it? Do you have siblings? Who is your favorite actor? Can we talk later? What's your address? Can you come here? Why are you sad? Who is calling you? Can I borrow this? Are you in a hurry? Have you finished? How was your exam? Are you tired? Where is the nearest market? Can you swim? Who told you this? Where did you study? When will you return? What should I do now? Are you sure? Is this correct? Are you feeling cold? Can I have your phone number? What is your dream?